incredibly fluffy and soft as a cloud buns. This is truly the ultimate recipe you'll ever try. In a large bowl, pour in the warm milk, add the sugar and active dry yeast, and give it a good mix. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for about 10 minutes until the yeast becomes frothy. Next, add 1 egg and the softened butter and mix it all together really well. Now, add the flour and knead it into a soft dough that's just a little bit tacky. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for about 40 minutes. Let them proof for 20 minutes so the buns turn out soft as a cloud. For the egg wash, mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk and brush it over the buns. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown. Dust them with some powdered sugar if you like.